what are the changes that you will see? So definitely one is no book. As Anu also told you, as I'm also telling you, no books, and the exact notification I've read out for you guys. Then you will see that, you know, what happens is, usually what happened till date was, a lot of people used to carry, you know, suitcases of books. So it used to be very cumbersome, and a lot of people would get intimidated because, you know, you think that it's an open book exam, and you tend to not prepare for the same, because you think that, you know, you will have your books and you can easily, you know, navigate your answers and choose the correct option. And more or less it's an easy exam, because definitely there is MCQ, there was open book, and questions are comparatively easier. They are based on BarHacker and your books. But now definitely preparation will differ, because now you can't carry your handwritten notes, you can't make a case list, or you can't carry a dictionary with yourself, or let's say you can't carry a list of maxims. So those things you can definitely not do. So you will have to start reading up. So what do, you know, to overcome this specific hurdle? So you have to start reading up, you know, your cases on a day-to-day basis. You need to be, now what we've seen in the past years is that many times current affair questions come. Again, basis would be legal current affairs, but a lot of current affairs questions also come. So we need to start getting updated with those facts. Earlier on, you could have made notes on a daily basis and carried that entire set of notes in the exam, but now you cannot do that. Though it is a qualifying exam, as we've, you know, mentioned many times, and we all know it's a qualifying exam. We don't need, we don't need to be toppers to be able to practice. You need to qualify this exam, which is for 100 marks, 100 questions, and you need to get 40%. That is, you need to get 40 questions correct out of the 100 to be able to qualify to get your certificate of practice, right? So since it's a qualifying exam, what we've also seen is 60% of the paper is from the BarHacker directly, right? So if you know how to read a BarHacker, you've definitely crossed that qualifying stage and you've moved ahead of the crowd any which ways. Secondly, there are lots of questions on case laws. So definitely you'll have to start reading up on your, we like to divide it into two bits. One is the latest case laws and the landmark case laws. So this is how, you can stay updated. You can do, let's say, read up brief notes on 10 landmark cases and let's say 10 latest cases on a day-to-day basis. And definitely I wouldn't say, and in the end it's an MCQ. You need to, even if you briefly remember the case law, you can definitely solve a particular question, right? So those things are definitely going to change. The preparation is definitely becoming harder, but you need to see the pros of this whole change.